Hi, welcome to our channel. This video is about yard borders and garden edging ideas along with useful information and garden edging techniques. So if you are looking for best video about garden or yard border designs and tips, then you are at right place. You can say it yard edging, lawn edging or garden edging, whatever you want to name it. We will give you detailed information and its types. If you want to watch more of these types of videos regularly, then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video also. We need your support. Garden edging is not crucial, but it offers your property a well manicured look that is not achievable by any other means. In conjunction with edging and trimming your outdoor greenery and garden, it will reduce weeds and improve their health. There are various types of garden edging materials and styles to choose from. Here is some common garden edging types to consider: metal edging, brick edging, plastic edging, wood edging, stone edging, concrete edging, ceramic or tile edging, rubber edging. Few words about metal edging. It's durable, long-lasting, and versatile. It provides a clean and modern look, but it can be more expensive than other options. Now let's talk about brick edging. Classic and timeless appearance, bricks are widely available and relatively easy to install, but it may require more maintenance over the time. About plastic edging, which is affordable, lightweight and easy to install, comes in various styles and colors, but cannot be as durable as other materials. When we talk about wood edging, it's natural and blends well with garden surroundings, but prone to decay over time and may require regular maintenance. About stone edging, durable and adds a rustic or formal look. Depending on the type of stone, it's low maintenance but can be heavy and more expensive. When we talk about concrete edging, it's sturdy and long-lasting, can be molded into various shapes and designs, may be more difficult to install, and some people find it less visually appealing. There is another option, which is ceramic or tile edging. It adds a decorative touch, especially in more formal gardens, can be colorful and creative, but it may be more fragile and require careful installation. When we talk about rubber edging, it's flexible and easy to install, provides a soft edge, making it safer for children, but may not have the same aesthetic appeal as other materials. So, when you are choosing a garden edging type, consider factors such as your garden style, maintenance, preferences, and budget. When we talk about best tool for edging, it depends on the yard or what kind of garden edging you want to do. With the tools available on the market today, you can find specific one tailored for your property and garden space. When we talk about best wood for yard edging, then cedar and redwood are popular because of their water-resistant qualities. Fir and pine will get this job done, but they won't last long. Pressure-treated timber is an option, but a controversial one. With garden edging, inexpensive doesn't mean better, it just means cheaper. Among all landscape and garden edging ideas, no-dig edging is the easiest to install. All it requires you to do is pound stakes in your land and you are done. So if you want to have a clean and sharp lawn appearance that adds curb appeal to your home, edging creates a root barrier that prevents your yard from invading your flower bed. And remember, garden edging is just as important. Also, a manicured space helps your home's value, but your neighbors will benefit. Nobody wants to live next to an unknown and unkept lawn. when a neighbor tries to garden edging defines outdoor spaces in landscaping. It's about well-defined borders between your yard and greenery. With garden edging, you can get super creative and let your outdoor evergreen thumb skills shine. All bricks, stones, scrap wood, floor or roof tiles, and cinder blocks are suitable materials to define garden edging spaces and establish borders. Carrying out these procedures incorrectly can be harmful. That there is another problem is when the plants are chopped too close to the ground with the string timber. Moisture and nutrients are held in leaf tissue. Too much garden edging diminishes the plant's capacity to endure drought and heat stress. It allows the ground to receive more sunshine, the soil temperature increase, and in this video you can find different kind of designs just like as using plastic bottles or glass bottles or plates or other rustic things to use as a garden edging. You may adopt these ideas to make your garden wonderland. So at the end of this video, we want to request you, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.